Last week we made a video explaining how you can earn over $100,000 a year by starting your own landscaping business and laid out all the steps so that you could eventually have over $1 million a year in revenue. Now, so far that video has just over 500 views, which is nowhere near as popular as this video where I talk about how you can become rich by using whole life insurance. As you can see, this video has well over 100,000 views. And I have to say this worries me a little bit because I believe the reason why my video on how to get rich by using life insurance is so popular is because people may view it as a way to get rich without doing much work. But I'm going to soldier on, and in this video I'm going to explain how you can start making over $100,000 a year by starting a pressure washing business. So again, there's no excuse. If you're upset because you're not wealthy, that just means you're not willing to do the hard work that's required. Because after watching this video, you really have no excuse. Because I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to earn over $100,000 per year relatively quickly. And then build to making over $1 million per year in revenue by starting a pressure washing business. As I've explained in the past, we have several contributors to this YouTube channel, and one of those contributors has experience running a power washing business. So we're going to leverage that knowledge to show you exactly what you need to do. I also think it's important to point out that there are other people doing this and posting about it on social media, including this guy Julius on Twitter. This guy's only 22 years old, and he already has a six-figure pressure washing business, which he started during his spare time in college. So the only thing holding you back is your own limitations. Maybe you're only willing to do work that you think is cool, like building the next cool app that you can market on Product Hunt. Or you have some delusion that you can create some website that uses artificial intelligence that you can make a lot of money from. Listen, just forget about that stuff. Get your head out of the clouds, roll up your sleeves, and let's get to work. Here are the steps you're going to follow to start this pressure washing business. First, buy a web domain from Namecheap and use Bluehost to host your website, since it's cheap. Then go on to Upwork or Fiverr and have an overseas developer throw together a simple website for you. This can be a one-page website that won't cost you much money at all. Third, use those same resources. Get a freelancer to make you a cool logo that you can put on flyers and collared shirts that you will wear when you're on site. Every job that you go to, you're going to have a smile on your face and you're going to wear a collared shirt with nice khaki pants or shorts. And you're going to greet all your clients with a firm handshake and a smile. Right away, this will separate you from most people you're competing with. 5. You also want to get flyers made that you can hang on the front door of homes, along with marketing signs that you can put on the roadside. Our friend Julius has a simple example right here. As you can see, this is a low-tech marketing idea that you can use to make a lot of money. Forget about using ChatGPT or some fancy SEO strategy. Make some signs, put them down, and get to work. 6. Another idea that a lot of people use is they will get a box of sidewalk chalk and go to a busy area near their hometown and advertise by writing in sidewalk chalk for passerbys to see as they walk around. You can put the name of your company and your phone number. Also, you definitely want to make sure you get a Google My Business listing and start getting 5-star reviews up there right away. When you initially get customers, you can simply send them a link where they can provide a review very easily. Another important part about the Google My Business listing is that when people do leave reviews, you want to make sure you respond to those reviews by using the keywords that are associated with your business. In other words, you want to say something like, "It was a pleasure pressure washing your home." Now that you've done a few very easy and cheap marketing efforts, your phone will start ringing. In the beginning, you simply want to schedule all of your appointments on Saturdays. Then you'll go out and rent a power washer or a soft washing machine instead of laying out all the money to buy one in the beginning. The money you will make from working one weekend will more than pay for the power washer rental, and you will likely have several $100s in profit in your pocket. Now, there are a couple ways you can handle this in the beginning. One option is to rent a power washing machine and offer to clean the area around your clients' homes, the hard surfaces. You would not want to use a power washing machine on the side of a home or on the windows. Therefore, if you select this option, basically all you're offering is to do surface cleaning, and that's pretty easy. An alternative method, and one that is recommended by our friend Julius, who I mentioned previously, would be to rent a soft washing machine and focus solely on roof washing, as Julius lays out in this tweet. And as you can see in this tweet, Julius basically, in one little tweet, gives you a path to making $10,000 a month in no time at all. You simply need a soft washing machine, which you can rent in the beginning, a ladder, a brush, and a leaf blower. If you can get 13 jobs in 1 month, averaging $800 per job, you're already at $10,000 a month and over $100,000 a year. So I think everybody watching this needs to forget about some ridiculous notion about sitting in your underwear at home and getting rich by drop shipping or some other type of overhyped online business that we all read about online. And the long-term vision of a business model like this, in this case a pressure washing business, is to hire people under you to do the work. That way you can focus your time on marketing efforts and customer service. That way you can drive top-line revenue. You will use technology like House Call Pro, Jobber, or Service Titan to help organize and systematize your business. You will hire virtual assistants from overseas, especially the Philippines. That way your labor costs for administrative staff is low. My recommendation is that you visit Julius's page on Gumroad and download his guide to start a business such as this. Julius provides a simple guide here. Again, as I said in my video about starting a landscaping business, everything's here for you. You just have to do the work. Think about this. Say you start doing this right now, and this weekend or next weekend, you have your first couple pressure washing jobs. Then, allow your imagination to envision yourself 2 years in the future. You're closing in on $1 million in annual revenue. You are not doing any of the pressure washing jobs yourself, as you have employees under you doing that. You have a small administrative and marketing staff working for $6 per hour from the Philippines. There is nothing stopping you from that future other than your unwillingness to get your hands dirty.